Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
May I come in, sir? Thank you, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Rudolph.
So, you have applied for the post of manager, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Do you know how to operate a computer?
No, sir, I can't.
Can you type?
Sir, I type not so much.
Do you have any knowledge about net? Internet?
No, sir,
You may go now. I will inform you.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, you may. Secretary here.
Yes, sir.
Do you know how to operate a computer?
Sorry, sir.
Can you type?
Sorry, sir. I cannot.
Do you have any knowledge about internet?
Internet? Sorry, sir.
Okay, this is done. See you again. You may go now. I will inform you later.
Okay, thank you, sir. Goodbye, sir. May I come in, sir?
Yes, you may.
Thank you, sir.
Have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
So, you are Mr. Tasim,
Yes.
who have applied for the job of CEO in Malaysia.
Yes, I have.
Yeah?
Yes.
Do you have any spoken certificate?
Yes, I have.
Do you know how to operate a computer?
Yes, I have a lot of idea about operating computer.
See. Do you know how to type?
Yes, I know.
Do you have any idea about internet?
Yes, I have.
Sounds good.
Idea about.
Sounds Good. So, Mr. Jidan, congratulations to you in Malaysia.
Thank you, sir.
So, you may go now.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. For next.
May I come in, sir?
Yes. Me. I will say
Thank you, sir. Here you go.
thanks. So, you are Mr. Nahia.
Sir.
You have applied for the job of CEO in Singapore.
Yes,
Hasn't
I
you?
have.
So, Mr. Nahia, do you have any certificate of spoken English?
Yes, sir. Here you are.
Oh, I see. Do you know how to operate a computer?
Yes, I know.
Oh, you know that. That's good. So, Mr. Nahia, do you know how to type?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any knowledge about internet?
Yes, sir. I have a lot of idea about internet.
That sounds good. So, Mr. Nahia, good news. You have been selected for the job of CEO in Singapore.
Thank you, sir.
You may go now.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
May I come in, sir? Yes, you may.
Thank you, sir.
Have you seen?
Thanks for the sir.
Thank you. So, you are Mr. Sponsor.
Yes.
You have been applied for the job of CEO in London, haven't you?
Yes, sir.
So, Mr. Sponsor, please tell me, do you have any idea, do you have any certificate in spoken English?
Yes, sir. I have a certificate in spoken English.
So you can speak with foreigners.
Yes, sir.
It's a very good sign.
Thanks, sir.
So, Mr. Sponsor, do you know how to operate a computer?
Yes, sir. Know how to operate a computer.
Oh. Mr. Sponsor, you can type.
Yes, sir. I can type.
How many letters you need?
20.
You will have to learn this.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sponsor, please, do you have any knowledge about internet?
I don't have much knowledge about internet, but if I learn, I can operate quickly.
Sounds good. So, Mr. Sponsor, you have good news. You are selected.
Really, sir?
The job of CEO in London.
Really, sir?
So you may go now.
Really, sir? Yes. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you very much, sir.
I am Jahidul Islam. I am a manager of Citibank in Shepur district. Thank you everybody. Thank you so much. Please for giving me chance to tell something about this program. Actually, I am really happy to see their performance. They are speaking English such as this age. This is unbelievable. I like the role plays, body language, especially their style of speaking. I'm very proud, no doubt. I hope they will do better in their future life. They will be expert in spoken English. They will reach to their dream. For all this, I want to give many thanks to Mr. Duhu sir. He who will teach the students English very smartly, very punctually, and he make them well in spoken English. So if you interested to learn spoken English of your children, you can send make them to Mr. Duhu sir. He will teach them wellly. So I am giving again thanks to Mr. Duhu sir because he's expert in English Okay, no more today. Until then, Allah Hafiz.